Right, today what we're going to do is we are going to produce a set of drawings for your rendering. This is the worksheet that is given to you. This is the worksheet that is meant for you to practice rendering. But what we would like you to do is to draw your own sketch of your tape dispenser so that you can do it for your rendering. Alright, so let's say this is the tape dispenser that you have produced, that you have made. Of course, this part I have not cut it yet, but so just assume that this is the tape dispenser that you have produced, and I have already drawn a little sketch here. This is what I did using the CAD to draw a tape dispenser, so that you can do your rendering. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how I am going to do that quickly. Alright, so what you need to do is basically prepare your materials. I'm going to use pencil, ruler and eraser, right? And you have a piece of A4 paper. Okay, so to start, alright, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and start to draw. Alright, so basically what you need to do is, for a start, is to establish the, maybe make it a little lower, somewhere here. Yep, okay, I'm going to start my isometric crate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the position of the square block first, and I'm going to quickly sketch the cutter, and then from there I proceed with the rest of the item. So basically what I'll do now is I'm going to draw in the block. Okay, so I am just going to estimate the distance. So this is my 25, okay, 25 block, right? I'm going to project upwards. Okay, this is my square block. This is about 50. So this is my square block that I have. Okay, make sure the lines are parallel, and quickly just, okay, so this is my square block. Alright, then what I have is the 3mm cutter. Okay, so this is 3mm cutter, and I am just going to quickly sketch in this block. Alright, so this is my cutter. Okay, so the details is like this. Alright, then what I have here is I have the 5 sharp points. Alright, and then this is at an angle. So I am just going to just sketch in quickly my sharp edges. Alright, so there I have my cutter already quickly sketched in. Alright, over here I will darken the lines later, because if you have too many lines, it's going to be rather complicated and you cannot see clearly where everything is. Okay, so this is, I'm going to do the sketching. Okay, so over here what I'm going to draw is I'm going to draw project up my plate. Okay, so this is size that I'll get, and this is the part that I'm going to bend. So again, quickly just sketch in this one. Okay, so assume that this is the thickness. Okay, I'll correct those lines later on. A little bit of, okay, so this is it. Alright, this one is going to be thicker. Okay, so yep, so this is my first block. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do, a little quick sketch here, is this is the sketch that I have. What I'm going to draw is, it's going to be like this. right? Then there is oops, sorry, maybe not so much further down, but rather this way, the tail of the fish, and then this close down this way. This is the approximate view of what it look like if it's the side view. So what I'll do is I'll just mark out quickly here, right? Then this part is slanted here. There is a curve followed by another curve here and another one here going down and then close up. Okay, so this part here is a triangular piece, so I'm just going to extend this. Okay, so quickly filling up the details. This part is behind. Okay, this portion I cannot see, but this portion I can see. Sorry, let me just touch up a little bit more. Okay, this is up to here. This curve is here, and then this part is here. Alright, this part going up all the way, I would be able to see a little bit of this, then it disappears. This part I can see, and I cannot see the back. This I can see the thickness, and then it sort of fades down to here. And okay, so if you draw your box, your crate properly, it is quite alright to be able to draw this 3D, right? Provided you project the line correctly, right? You should have this 2D profile by the side, then you can project this. Alright? Okay, so this square block now would actually touch the same base as this one. Alright, should be at the same base. Alright, so now what I'll do is same thing, I will project this line up. Okay, the line will come over here. Just about right. I have space. Just about right. Okay, so now I'm going down. Right, this part here, same thickness. Okay, so right, so basically what I'll do is I'll project the line across. Okay, project the line across. This one I will try to keep the okay, so I'll keep the same thing. This part I'll move down. Okay, later on there may be some part that you can see. Okay, so same, somewhere here, cannot be seen. This one goes up to here. Okay. Alright, then this part coming down. So I should see something here, and then it ends back there. Okay, at the back, so I can't see that. Alright, so right, quickly I have my design over here. In the original design, it's somewhere in the center here, so it's somewhere here is the right, this is the 3mm, this is the 6mm hole. Alright, so somewhere up here, so if I would draw, it would be somewhere here. Okay, the cylinder now would be this. Okay, I extend it over, and I can see that my tape dispenser is just over here. Okay, so briefly I can do that. Now I have to, right, so just briefly over here. Yeah, this is my tape dispenser. Okay, so yeah, maybe I draw a bigger one. Yeah, so this part I can see, right? Okay, so what I'll do now is I will darken all the other outlines. Okay, so yeah, it can be clearly seen. And then after that, what I will do is I will have to make a copy of this. Please do not try to render directly onto the original paper. If not, if you make a mistake, then you have to redraw again. So the teachers can actually help you or you yourself can make another photocopy, right? So that you don't have to render on your original piece of sketch. Okay, so yeah, quickly I'm just going to darken this. This is a line here. Yeah, then just closing up. Okay, then your other points will be here. All right, closing up. Okay, so this part here, this is the wooden block. Okay, so alright, so this part here, maybe just a little part I can see. Alright, and then the back. Okay, this is my square block which I can see here. Okay, you darken all the lines. Okay, this is for this part. Alright, and there you have the sketch. Alright, so if you were to double check this with your, I'm not sure whether you can put the two together, but yeah, see? So this is what I done on my computer, my CAD drawing. This is what I done freehand. Obviously, what is missing here is the sketch of the butterfly nut, which is not easy. So what I would recommend you to do is, for simplicity, not to even draw that, so that the screws and nuts, you just leave it aside, because it's not easy to sketch this by hand. Alright, but the rest of it, you can see that it's almost equivalent for what I've drawn. Yeah, maybe the curves may not be the same, but this is more, oops. Right, this is more the actual view of the tape dispenser. So yeah, you can go ahead and try and produce a sketch and have fun drawing, have fun sketching. Thank you.